Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the Cloud Ops Junction. So in this video, we will see how we can install or how we can configure a custom certificate on AWS. There are a number of examples where you required a custom certificate to be installed or to be configured or to be imported on to that requires that you need to import it onto your AWS. Let's take an example that you have in a website called abc.com and but you have not registered that domain from AWS. You have registered that domain from a GoDaddy or some other domain registrar. So in this situation, what you can do, there are two options to do it. Either one, you can change the custom domain. You can update the NS record on a. You can create a record. You can create a public DNS on AWS and then update the NS record on GoDaddy for that domain. So what will happen, that domain will be managed from AWS. Now, if there is some circumstances that you don't want or a client don't want that DNS records to be updated on AWS, they wanted it to be separate. So what you can do, you can have a certificate get generated on GoDaddy, and you can import that certificate into your AWS. To import that request, what you need to do, you can open the AWS console like this. I have opened my AWS console, and you have to go to certificate managers. Once you go into certificate manager, you will get the options like you can request a certificate, you can import a certificate, and you can create a private CA. So what we will require to import a certificate. Now in my case, what I have done, I have already taken the certificate detail from the the domain registrar in our case. So what I will do, I will open it, and if I go down, you will find the create a certificate body, private key, and a PEM certificate. So three things will be required for me. I only have two things in. So I do have a PEM. What I will do, I will copy paste it and put it over here. I will require a private key. I will copy and I will paste it over here. We'll go click next. If any tags you wanted to add, suppose I wanted to add a tag name called abc.com, next, and import. So the certificate will get import. If I click on view certificate, you will see that the certificate is here and it is in issued state. And here you will find some the basic detail about the certificate, how it is. Now you can map this certificate into CloudFront, load balancers, or you can even other stuffs you can do it. This was a small tutorial how we can import the certificate on AWS. The custom certificate if you do not have. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.